Educate and entertain your mind. Strange laws and legal lessons. 2 Chapter 6. The Pig Named Napoleon, France. Story of the weird law. In France, it was once illegal to name a pig Napoleon. The law was meant to protect the dignity of the famous emperor. What legal principle it represents? This law is about respect for national symbols and leaders. Modern relevance or similar laws today. Similar laws exist in Thailand, where insulting the king is a serious crime. Real case example. In 2007, a Swiss man was jailed in Thailand for defacing a portrait of the king. Key takeaway lesson. Sometimes, even pigs must respect politics. Chapter 7. High heels at the Parthenon, Greece. Story of the weird law. In Greece, wearing high heels at ancient sites is banned. The reason? Stilettos can damage fragile ruins. What legal principle it represents? This law is about heritage preservation. Modern relevance or similar laws today. Similar bans exist on eating or drinking in museums. Real case example. In 2015, tourists in Rome were fined for carving initials into the Colosseum. Key takeaway lesson. History is fragile. Leave the stilettos at home. Chapter 8. Forgetting your wife's birthday, Samoa. Story of the weird law. In Samoa, forgetting your wife's birthday is illegal. The law was designed to protect marital harmony. What legal principle it represents? This law is about family rights and domestic peace. Modern relevance or similar laws today. While not common, some countries enforce family obligations, like child support or spousal care. Real case example. In 2010, a man in Samoa was fined after his wife reported him for forgetting her birthday. Key takeaway lesson. Love may be eternal, but birthdays are annual and legally binding. Chapter 9. Dying in Parliament, UK. Story of the weird law. It was once said to be illegal to die in the Houses of Parliament. The reasoning? Anyone who died there was entitled to a state funeral. What legal principle it represents? This law is about state protocol and ceremonial rites. Modern relevance or similar laws today. Similar quirks exist in royal palaces, where certain deaths trigger ceremonial obligations. Real case example. Though no one has been prosecuted, the myth persists as one of Britain's strangest laws. Key takeaway lesson. Some places are so prestigious, even death isn't allowed. Chapter 10. Feeding pigeons in Venice, Italy. Story of the weird law. Venice banned feeding pigeons in St. Mark's Square to protect its historic buildings from droppings. What legal principle it represents? This law is about public health and heritage protection. Modern relevance or similar laws today. Similar bans exist in London's Trafalgar Square. Real case example. In 2008, 2 Venetian vendors sued after losing income from selling birdseed. They lost. Key takeaway lesson. Feeding pigeons today means cleaning monuments tomorrow.